I'm in front of an absolutely stunning new construction home for sale here in Vero Beach, Florida. This is the Aurora floor plan built by GHO Home Builders here in Vero Beach. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home with a den, and I can't wait to show you. Let's take a look. Camera around, and let's give you a little first-person tour. Go with the wide-angle lens. Look at this home. Beautiful from the outside, great landscaping, but the inside's even better, let me tell you. Very nice 3-car garage, very nice red brick paver, entry, very long entrance, of course covered as well, so if you're getting rained on, no problem. Let's go in and see what all the fuss is about. So instead of showing you all the boring rooms first, I'm gonna get to the meat and potatoes of this thing and show you the kitchen, the outside, and the living room. So right away, you can see that GHO just does an absolutely fantastic job decorating their models to showcase to potential buyers. Makes my job a lot easier when the home looks in this good of condition. Very nice kitchen island, very large. Keep in mind this is shot on a 0.6 camera angle lens, so everything will look just a little smaller. You got quartz or granite here. Either option you can choose. Very nice professionally painted matte cabinets. Very nice. Like I said, 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom with a den. This home, I'll put it on screen what it's selling for. I don't have the figure on the top of my head right now. Very nice big dining room as well. Like I said, everything will look a little bit smaller, but these are some nice big chairs, nice 6-person table, and there's plenty of room to walk, not have any issues. We're gonna take a look in the backyard in just a second because I wanna show you just how amazing this looks. Awesome, let's take a look at the master. Now this one I'm really excited about. Real quick before we get in the master, let me know, what do you guys think about these wood slats, these wood beams running across in the living room? I absolutely love them. And you know what I even like better? When they're brown. I think it just kind of keeps the integrity, the aesthetic. You know, maybe that color scheme doesn't work for this home, but I've been in a few GHO homes where they're brown and they just look grand. Just like this master bedroom looks. So this is the master, once again. Tray ceilings, very nice. Big, nice king bed. You know, that's a king bed. You have a lot of space on the ground here. Tile throughout, by the way. Very nice tile. And a lot of windows. That's one thing you'll notice about this home. A lot of windows, so you get that nice, natural, bright light. Let's take a look at the closets here. Of course, you got the his. Good size for a guy. At least for me. And then, of course, you got the hers, and it's going to be a little bit bigger. Just to show you how much room you got there. Then take a look at this absolutely stunning bathroom. One thing I really like about this bathroom, one, the color scheme, love that light blue. 2, I love the frame around the window, how that's also light blue. Matches really well with the countertops and the black hardware that they have, such as the sink handle, the faucet. And then another thing I like is how they're split up. So if this was me, I'm married, this would be mine. A little smaller, but that's all I need as a guy. And then this would be my wife's, of course, and you have her little powder area there and light and all that good stuff for all the women out there. Look at this very nice tall shower. And another thing I absolutely love is this ceramic tile. It is absolutely gorgeous. I wish my phone would take a little bit better video and get you just the cool pattern that this has, but it's absolutely phenomenal. I've been in a bunch of GHO homes that have this, and every time it looks good. Then of course you have your toilet room there behind a closed door. Look at that, very nice. All right, now I want to show you the rest of the home, and it's just as beautiful. Let's first take you, oh actually, you know what? I'm gonna take you through the entertainment room first. That one is a stunner. I actually should have taken you there first. That is one of the best rooms in the house, in my opinion. Also, you have a nice little wet bar here. You could have for cold drinks, coffee, cocktails, whatever your heart desires, wine. And another thing that you can't really tell is just how tall this is. Look at how tall this entry foyer is. Very nice. All right, now let's take a look at the entertainment room. I'm gonna skip past the laundry room and the guest bedroom. We'll go there in a second, but I wanna show you this room right here. Now fellas, if any guys are watching me right now, doesn't this look like a really awesome hangout spot to maybe watch the game, watch some golf, hang out with your buddies, play some pool? You got your 2 TVs right there. You got your little bar stools right there with a perfect little glass of beer there. Like I said, GHO just does a good, fantastic, not good, fantastic job of setting the tone for their model homes. I can see myself here every day with my friends, sinking a few beers, watching the game, watching some golf. Another nice touch, they added a nice little bench here. Very comfy, you can lay out, sit out, ample seating. You got 4 chairs up there. You got this bench right here. You got these bar stools over here. So no matter if you have 10, 20 people over, well, maybe not 20, but you know, you get up there with the amount of guests you have, and this room alone should be able to handle it. You have a nice little wine cooler or beer fridge, whatever your preference is. Oh, we gotta play the slots. Let's see what I get. Oh. Nope, not lucky. All right. Love this room. Now, let me show you a few of the other rooms. And they're just as nice. I just really like that room. So this one is another little guest bedroom. I wouldn't say little, it's plenty of room in here. And once again, you know, they can just, this just reminds me of this, they're trying to get the guy's office. This is where a guy's office could be, or a girl, but you know, they really are catering to the guys here with this model home. Obviously, you got some cool basketballs there. Looks like they're signed by maybe the GCs of this community. That's kind of funny. Got your TV there. You know, you could hang your sports jersey up, everything like that. Once again, they just do an absolutely fantastic job of showcasing this home. Going into the guest bedroom here, or sorry, guest bathroom. Nice tiled shower. Once again, you're gonna have that tile throughout, and you're gonna have the quartz countertops or the granite countertops throughout. So you won't have to worry about anything looking cheap. Obviously, you got your closet space, another little sitting area. You're gonna get the very nice and sizable laundry room with a little farmhouse sink there. Plenty of cabinet space, countertop space. You could easily run maybe a rod there or somewhere to hang up clothes as well. But all together very nice. We're gonna have some more closet space. We're gonna have the guest bedroom with a closet here because it makes a little bit more room for the room in here. This is the next guest bedroom. And this one has an ensuite bathroom, which is also very nice. You don't have to go outside of the comfort of your room when you're over at someone's house. Your guests won't have to feel uncomfortable getting up at the middle of the night, maybe to go to the bathroom or wash up. They won't have to feel uncomfortable. They'll still be behind their door. Let's finish up here. I want to take you outside now. Once again, actually, I want to show you this once. One nice shot of this. Ready? Here we go. Look at that. Very nice. Okay, I'm done with this area now. I've showed it to you enough. Let's take a look at the outside now. So the outside, you're gonna have this absolutely, I wouldn't say gigantic, but very nice size, very large covered lanai. You could easily screen this in, put some roller shades on it, roller blinds, whatever you want. Very nice sitting area out here. You have a ton of room for decor, plants and everything like that. And then once again, you can have your little fireplace out there. And a nice little hammock here. Oh, I gotta test this one out, guys. Oh yeah, there we go. All right, guys, well, that was the Aurora model with GHO Homes here in Vero Beach, Florida. Let me know what you guys think. Was this a home that you think you could see yourself living in? Did you like it? Did you not? Leave those comments down in the comment section below. This is Spencer Bailey signing off. If you guys need anything, I would love to help you move here. If you have any questions about this home and or any other home on Florida's East Coast, please feel free to reach out to me directly. I'll leave my cell phone and my email here for you to reach out. And like I said, if this video was helpful to you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.